I caught you tickling my toes. Oliver, are you tickling Mommy's toes? See? I caught you. I'll never understand why conures like to tickle feet. Hey. Don't you dare break my toenail. If I needed a groomer, I'd go to the groomers. Hey. I'm gonna go to the spa and get my feet done. Oliver. Thank you. I saw you. Maybe gonna try to get my foot again. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. Ollie's got Mama's foot. Tickle, 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 tickle. Are you being gentle? What a good bird. Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. Ollie's just tickling Mommy's feet. Hey, baby bird. Hi. I saw you flirting. Let me go flirt. Let me go flirt. Not the gentle bird. Are you cuddling? Are you cuddling and kissing? Aww. I'm sorry, Boo. I can't get another bird right now. Aww. My baby. You want Mommy to move? Hey, Ollie. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Mama's gonna get you. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. Gentle. Gentle, baby. Tickle, 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 tickle. That actually does tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. Are you doing something funny, Ollie? Are you cuddling and tickling Mama? Oh, he's got ugly feet. And you're still tickling. Hey, what you doing, big bird? That tickles. Get your beak out of my toes. Oliver, get your beak out from between my toes. I hate that, especially when the sand goes between my toes. I hate that. Tickle, 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 tickle. I know, Mom needs to get her feet done. Yeah, you don't have to rub it in me. You don't have to rub it in my face. I can't even speak today. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Oliver. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Mama gonna get ya. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Y'all done? Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Yeah. Tickle, 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 tickle. And to those watching, that doesn't hurt. Just feel when he does get nippy, it just feels like somebody pinching you really bad. You're gonna get Mommy. Tickle, tickle, tickle. And all I do to stop it, if I fight it, he's gonna bite harder. So if I took my big toe and scratch his beak, he'll stop. Ollie, go get ya. Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. Oh. Uh-oh. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. See, he's the size of a woman's 8 or maybe 7.5 shoe. Tickle, tickle, tickle. His full length, including his tail, is 18 inches. Yay, yay. Hey, boo-boo. You're 18-inch bird. I don't have my coffee cup, but he's actually his green feathered area is the exact same size as my coffee cup. Oh. Ollie's got mommy toes. Ollie! Gimmy Kiss? I don't think he's talking today. Gimmy Kiss? Hi, gorgeous. Mama's got a baby bird. Oop, don't do that. See, he needs to go to the spa when he got Oliver. Dr. Ollie, DJ Ollie. He's got all those nicknames, don't you, bud? Peekaboo. Ah, that hurt. You keep your claws up. Oliver. Not much to say today, bud. You're going to tickle my feet. Tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle. Hey, buddy. Where's my buddy? Buddy bird. Kiss, kiss. I'm gonna hang up in a minute because you're making mommy sound like she's nuts and she's talking to herself. I don't think Ollie's being talkative today, but he has been being playful. I'll give him a minute and see if he talks to you. Can you show mommy your feathers? Oliver, can you dance for mama? Ollie. I'm sorry if you hear the squeaking, it's the mic in my ears. Ollie. Hey, baby. You're perching really well, bud. Don't bite my nails. Okay, I might have to let you guys go because he is getting grimy. See? Don't be biting the skin on my foot. Okay, you don't need to be grooming me. I don't need the extra help. Come here. Come here. You don't need to be grooming mama. No. You don't need to be eating my toes. Hi, pretty bird. Hi, pretty bird. Look at you. Look at all the color on you. You're pretty. Ollie is such a pretty little green cheek. Ollie, wait, bye, bye. Wait, bye, bye. Wait. You're not doing it today? Can you wait, bye, bye? You've done it before. Pretty bird, good bird. Pretty, pretty, pretty bird. Pretty, pretty, pretty bird. There you go. Good bird. That was a bye-bye. That was a real good bye-bye. Yeah, you did it. Are you ready to go? I'll let you scratch and think about it. Can you wave bye-bye, Ollie? Wave again. Wave bye-bye. Hey? Wave bye-bye. No. How about you? If I had stuff in my hands, you'd do it. I like the turquoise on his butt. You got a bit of turquoise on your butt. Hey? It is so hot today. The air conditioners are not working. It feels like 88 in here. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Look at all the color on all over. He's got a little rainbow going. See, he's got the red. And his chest and his outer wings got a bit of the yellow and the green. And then the indigo and purple and blue right on tail feathers. I've never seen a green cheek with that much color. Peekaboo! Are you ready to say bye-bye? Wave. Wave bye-bye. He usually does. He did it once on the video already. I don't know why he's not doing it again. Pretty, pretty, pretty bird. Yes, we'll do it again, baby. I'm another call tomorrow. Allie likes talking to everybody, don't you, bud? Hi. We're thinking about getting another bird. Yeah, Ollie might be getting a little brother soon. Or a big brother. We're probably just gonna get another green cheek. I did like the brown-winged pinus, but his beak is way too big for me to handle. I did think about getting an Amazon, but again, the beak is gonna get me into trouble. I did think of a sun conure, but I don't know. I might just get a cockatiel or a green cheek. Just because cockatiels won't allow me to have too much attention. This little guy gives me a lot of attention. Everybody comes and sees him. Hey, Ollie, you're just one hell of a handsome man. Everybody loves to come and see ya. If I do get another one of these guys, I'm looking for a little bit more yellow here and the red eye. There's a little circle around the eyes. His is green, but the other one's going to be red, and it's probably going to have a white where Ollie is black, just because I want to be able to identify the two pairs. I don't want to get another one that looks like Ollie, because I have to pay attention to the personality to tell them apart, and it's too complicated for me. So Ollie's gonna sit here and do a little dance for you, and then we'll hang out. And now you can be able to see his beautiful colors. See? He's got a bit of a rainbow going. You're gorgeous, Ollie. Look at all that beautiful color. Look at all that beautiful rainbow color. And nobody knew you had that much color on you. Look at the pretty colors. Hey, beautiful. Hi. Mommy's got one beautiful bird. Oliver. And Mommy's got one beautiful bird. She got lucky. Mommy got lucky with Ollie. And in case you guys don't know, Ollie was named after Muhammad Ali, which is a famous wrestler. And the reason Ollie got the name Muhammad Ali, and Ollie for short, is because he likes to lay on his back and tickle mama. And it looks like he's play fighting. That's a pretty bird. There's the color that you would see normally, which is the indigo that's right there, or purple, I think it's called. And then a form of blue, and then he's got the red tail feathers. Because of that red stripe, I'm just back there. I don't know what my camera's doing, but he also has a red and yellow or red and orange spot overlapping on his wings. That usually tells you he's from the Amazon rainforest. And I know some some rainforest parrots have if you look at their wing the right way, it almost looks like it has a fire design on it. I thought that was kind of cool. Oliver, are you going to show off your pretty colors again? Turn around. Turn. Yeah, Mommy don't have treats, so you're not going to do it. Yeah, you want treats. Hey, Ollie, can I show you something? Can I see you for a minute? Oh, I can't get you to do it. And I just lost him. I'm going to hang out for now. And we're going to call it quits. Ollie and I are going to go clean the house. We want everybody to stay cool. Yeah. In some parts of in Canada, it is 90 degrees. If you stay in the shade or inside, you can probably get away with 88. Nobody's air conditioner is working. If you want some air conditioner, you're going to the market. But if you want a heavy cool down spot, you're looking for the beer stores and trying to get beer. And you're literally taking your time looking for things. Just because you want to be able to cool off before getting that next heat wave. But Oliver and I say good night. And we hope you have a lovely day. Oliver says don't forget to send him some love by hitting that like button, because he loves watching those like buttons go up. Yes, he does. Don't you, buddy? You like watching your fans hit the like button. Yeah, you're getting overheated, baby, I know. So there he is. So he's a tiny bird. He's about the size of a man. Yeah. See? Hi, beautiful. Are you ready to go night-night? And if you hold the bird like this, see? They're shaped almost like an ice cream cone. So if you hold them like that, most birds love it. Look how relaxed he is now. See? Most birds like that, but we're not doing that today because it's so hot. Hey, Ollie. Oh, yeah. See? You're a lot happier when Mommy holds you like that. Yeah. Look at you, pretty bird. It's just Mommy's not strong enough to hold you very long like that, huh? You get kisses. Did Oliver get kisses? There's close-up of him. What a gorgeous color. See? I don't have proper lighting, but he is a gorgeous green cheek. Oh, he's just a beautiful little green cheek. I probably want a double yellow next. But I got him because the color shows up better on him. He's got that cream on his chest rather than yellow, and he's got the lime green at the bottom. I think that's gorgeous. It stands out better. See? It's literally the size of my hand. And his beak doesn't hurt as much so I don't feel comfortable getting a beak any bigger than what he is. Hey, buddy. Hi. Are you gorgeous? Aww. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. You ready to go? Okay, we'll go. Yeah. So if you want to bond, like I bond with my bird, and I do this, watch his eyes. See how he blinks? So I stop, and I start again. Once I notice he's blinking, I stop. And that's what we do. We sit there doing that all night. His blinking is his way of saying stop. So he rub his teeth. See, stop. Oh, that's it. See how I did that? So whenever he blinks, whatever you do, you've got to stop. So, whoop! Okay, Mommy's got to hang up, baby bird. And we are expecting a bird soon. Maybe Mommy will film bringing Logan home. Mommy wants another little boy. Yeah. And then you'll have somebody to talk to when I'm gone. Just a small baby. Not a big one. It'll be a couple years yet. Mommy's got a lot to do to get ready for a new bird. Yeah. Mommy will get you Logan soon. Yeah. Now, see, if I hadn't practiced that game of trust with him, when I first brought him home, as soon as I bumped his nose like that, he'd fly away, and he's not flying away now. So, doesn't always work with every bird, but it worked with mine. See, he's got that beautiful rainbow. And he likes nesting in my hand, too, so. Hey, gorgeous. Can Mommy have her hand? Huh? Mommy wants her hand. Hey, gorgeous. Alright, YouTube. Mommy and I say much love and good night. Yeah, kiss. Tell them you want a kiss. Hey? Say you want a kiss. See, he loves that now. And I can actually reach up and touch his nose too. But my fingers are not long enough. Hi, beautiful. Hi, beautiful. Gonna come and help Mama? Huh. Alright. We're gonna go now, aren't we, Ollie? Yeah, it's getting too warm. Oh, calm down, sweetheart.